Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to open Safari on your MacBook. Safari is Apple's built-in web browser, and it's the easiest way to browse the internet on macOS. Let's get started. The first way to open Safari is from the dock. Look at the bottom of your screen and find the Safari icon. It looks like a blue compass. Once you see it, simply click on the Safari icon, and the browser will open instantly. If you don't see Safari in your dock, don't worry. There are other ways to open it. The second method is using Spotlight Search. On your keyboard, press Command and Spacebar at the same time. This will open Spotlight Search. Now just type Safari, and when Safari appears in the results, press Enter. Safari will open right away. Another easy way is through Finder. First, click the Finder icon in your dock, then click Applications in the sidebar. Scroll down until you find Safari, and double-click it to open, and that's it. Those are the easiest ways to open Safari on a MacBook. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.